Do not throw used plastic bottles in the trash. Learn how to make a plant watering can by following these simple steps. To start, you will need a syringe. Yes, a syringe that you can easily get at any pharmacy. We will start by removing the wrapper and the needle that comes from the factory. Then, with the help of a cutter, we will cut the syringe in a specific part, as shown in the instructions. This step is important so that the syringe can fit correctly into the cap of the bottle that we will use as a water reservoir. Speaking of the bottle, you need an empty plastic soda bottle. Remove the cap and place the syringe on it to trace its outline with a marker. Once marked, cut the marked part of the cap so that the syringe can fit perfectly into it. Now, carefully, put the syringe through the hole you just made in the cap and secure it with glue so that it stays firmly in place. Continuing with the bottle, use a hot soldering iron to make a large hole in one of the bottom corners. Next, look for a metal hook with a thread and thread it into the center of the bottom of the bottle. This will allow you to easily hang the watering can where you need it. After securing the hook, screw the cap with the syringe onto the bottle and replace the needle on the tip of the syringe. And voila, your homemade shower is ready for use. Now, simply fill it with enough water. Hang the bottle over the plant you want to water, and the needle will slowly dispense water, helping to keep the soil moist and your plants happy. The best thing about this project is that you can do it with recycled materials and basic tools that you probably already have at home, which means you won't have to spend money on expensive irrigation systems. Plus, it's a great way to reuse plastic bottles and reduce your environmental impact. So the next time you find yourself with an empty bottle, instead of throwing it in the trash, get creative and turn it into a useful watering can for your plants. You will be surprised how easy and satisfying it is to make your own homemade irrigation system.